Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to switch on your Samsung phone without using the power button. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone and connect one end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. The second step is to press and hold the volume up button and the volume down button at the same time, just like that. Now once you do that, now the third step is to plug in the charging cable to your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has entered to download mode. From here, just press the volume down button to restart your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has turned on. And this is how you can switch on your Samsung phone without using the power button. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.